In this video we're going to be checking out the oil extractor from Amazon. And to use this, insert the tube from the oil extractor into where the dipstick is usually located. And as soon as you pump it up, you can see oil travelling through the tubes. And it's best to do this while your engine's still a little bit warm. I tried to do it while the engine was cold and it took ages. Make sure the tube from the oil extractor goes right down to the bottom where the dipstick was. Then you simply pump it up and wait. It takes around 20 to 30 minutes to extract the oil from the car. Whilst I'm waiting for the oil to drain, I'm going to go ahead and change the filter. And if you guys have one of these filters, always remember to change the rubber band. This will help prevent oil leaks in the future. And I'm going to replace that with a Bosch. I'll leave the link for the tools and the filter in the description. I've just heard a slurping sound come from the tube. Just push the tube right down and make sure it's at the bottom of the dipstick. And if there's no more oil, that means it's done. Now it's time for some new oil. Here I'm using Castrol Magnatec 540. This is the recommended oil for this vehicle. This takes around 3.5 litres of oil. And I still have a little bit left. Finally guys, I'm just going to drain the old oil into an empty Castrol container. Then you can take it to your local recycling centre. So overall, I think the oil extractor does a pretty decent job. The only thing to consider might be whereabout in your engine your oil filter is located. So if you do have to get under your car to change the oil filter, you might as well loosen the sump plug off while you're under there. Doesn't really make any sense using the extractor if you've got to get under your car anyway. If you used an extractor before, let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have one of these vehicles, check out my other maintenance videos.